Today we're gonna be making 4 different cocktails with 4 different flavors of Sunhari.
Sunhari is a soju-based, ready-to-drink cocktail. You may be asking, what is soju?
I'm gonna tell you. Soju is a Korean spirit made from potatoes, sweet potatoes, or rice.
It's kind of similar to vodka, so if you like vodka, you're gonna be into these.
The great thing about these is that you can crack them open and drink them just as they come, or you can mix them into cocktails like we're about to do right now.
Let's get into it.
First, we're gonna start off with my favorite, the Soonhari Hollywood Mojito.
Hollywood because, I mean, look at her. She is a star. To make this cocktail, you're gonna start off with 8 to 10 mint leaves, 1 whole strawberry, and 3 lime wedges.
Muddle that up, put some muscle into it, then add 5 ounces of Sunhari strawberry.
We're gonna be topping this cocktail off with 2 ounces of Milkis.
The strawberry in this is amazing and it pairs so well with the mint. Delicious.
I am pleasantly surprised with how well Sunhari is pairing with a mojito. I would never think to make a mojito with anything but rum.
Yeah.
That flavor's on point.
She may look like a Cosmo, but she is not a Cosmo.
This is the Soonhari New York Peachtini. Out of our 4 Sunhari cocktails, this is actually my favorite. This is made with fresh raspberries, the Soonhari peach, which is delicious. Let's dive into this recipe.
Grab your shaker and muddle 3 raspberries.
Add a 1/4 ounce of lemon juice. Add a 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Add 3 ounces of Soonhari peach. So we like to leave the little bits of pulp in there. If you want, you can also double strain this cocktail, but I mean,
It's so good.
top that off with 2 ounces of Sun cider. Cheers. This is so light and refreshing. You get the flavor of the raspberries and then the peach is coming through.
I love peach and raspberry. That's a beautiful combo.
It's a vibe. I really love using Sunhari in a martini because it's not as strong. You know, sometimes you just want something a little bit softer, and these only have 12% alcohol in them. So it's very light, flavorful, refreshing. Cheers to Sunhari martinis.
Very good. Very good.
Korea is meeting Miami with this cocktail right now, guys.
This is the Sunhari Miami Mojito.
This is made with the Sunhari citron, and it did not disappoint.
I love it. Let's get right into it.
This would not be a mojito without some mint, so we're gonna go in with 8 to 10 mint leaves. Add 2 limes and 1 lemon wedge, and muddle that together.
Add 5 ounces of Sunhari citron.
We're gonna top this cocktail off with 2 ounces of Sun cider. Let's taste this. So refreshing.
You took the words out of my mouth.
I cannot get over how perfect of a mojito this is. The citrus flavor from the Sunhari is perfect. It's a very balanced cocktail. Y'all need to try this one. Cheers to citron.
And I really love these glasses. They're so cute. Love the ice, love the glass, love the Sunhari. I love it all. Who's next?
Next up, we have the Sunhari Blue Honolulu.
Adorable. I am loving this gradient.
This is such a fun cocktail. It's inspired by the Blue Hawaiian. That is such a classic cocktail. And it's just so fun to look at. It's fun to make.
And it's fun to drink. This one is made with the Sunhari yogurt. That's a fun flavor. This is just a ball of fun happening here.
Let's dive into this recipe so you can make this at home. Add 3/4 ounce of pineapple juice, 5 ounces of Sunhari yogurt. After you shake, you're going to add some Milkis directly into your shaker and then pour that over your ice sphere. Last, we're going to be adding a 1/2 ounce of blue carousel. You're going to float this to the bottom of your cocktail. It's gonna have this beautiful layered gradient effect. I think this is the most fun out of the 4 cocktails.
Definitely, I agree. Cheers. Delicious.
Oh yeah.